Here is all our ingredient for the salmi chicken, and a little bit of oil as well. Some soya sauce, it's optional. A bit of honey, two tomato here, tomato puree. Instead of alcohol, I am putting cranberry juice. And here's a ginger and garlic paste, a kilo of chicken which I have already chopped into small pieces, wash and drain. And here I have 4 spices which I have already pound in my mortar and pestle here. It gives an extra nice taste to your food this when you grind it there. It's coarsely grind, okay? There is black pepper and clove, cinnamon and chili flakes. And here I have sliced onion, a bit of thyme, some coriander and some curry leaves. Okay, we will start straight away now. Just 2 tablespoons of oil. Only 2 tablespoons, okay? This is a very quick and easy recipe. It doesn't take long this. Quickly. It is on medium heat. Yeah, medium heat. Let the onion become a little bit translucent, then we can add other ingredients. It's translucent now, I can add my chicken. And I am adding all my dry spices. Still on medium fire. I will leave it about 5 minutes. I'm not going to cover it. Okay, stir it a little bit. This is after 5 minutes, right? Now I am adding my ginger and garlic. Thyme. Now I will cover it and leave it for another 5 minutes. Have a little look now. Right. Okay, I will now add a little bit of water, about half a cup. Tool in the kitchen, guys. This is my best tool. Scrape everything well. Okay, and leave that to cook. Still on low fire. Say about 10 minutes. Okay. Just adding the curry leaves. Let's have a little look. The tomato now. This is only 2 tomatoes. You may have noticed that I haven't put any salt at all because I'm going to put soya sauce. And as always, salt is up to your taste. Always on medium heat, never on high heat, medium heat. Okay, we'll get back to you soon. Let's have a quick look now. It's nearly ready. Okay, I'm putting the cranberry juice. A little bit of soya sauce. That's it. A little bit of soya sauce. It's almost ready. Very simple dish, quick and easy but tasty. Almost done. Okay, it's done now. I am just going to turn off the gas. Then I'll add this little bit of honey. It's up to you, it's optional. Okay, just about half a tablespoon. That's it. And then sprinkle the coriander. And it's done. Okay, I'll dish out for you in a bit. Here it is, it's all ready. I'm just going to dish out for you. Remember, if you have liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram at Zinat's Kitchen. Here we are. Chicken salmi. Quick and easy, but very tasty.